Usage is calculated based off of heater information supplied during initial programming. First, select Daily Usage. Press Select Rooms to see the energy usage for each room. On this screen, you can select the rooms you want to view. You can also view the energy usage by day, week, month, and year. Keep in mind that there are a maximum of 3 rooms that can be selected to view the graph at a time. Here you can compare the energy usage between rooms, and you can see how many kilowatts per hour you are saving, as well as the amount of money saved. Watch how the numbers change as different times are selected.